Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 5 gallons to liters. Are you looking to convert 5 gallons to liters but aren't quite sure how to do it? Don't worry, it's an easy conversion that can be done in just a few steps. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step and provide examples to help you master this skill. First, let's start with the conversion factor. 1 gallon is approximately equal to 3.78541 liters. To convert gallons to liters, simply multiply the number of gallons by this conversion factor. For example, suppose you have 5 gallons of gasoline to convert to liters. By multiplying 5 by 3.78541, you'll find that it equals approximately 18.92705 liters. That's it! Your 5 gallons of gasoline is equivalent to approximately 18.92705 liters. But what if you need to convert 5 liters of milk into gallons? No problem. To convert liters to gallons, you'll divide the number of liters by the conversion factor of 3.78541. For instance, if you have 5 liters of milk, dividing by 3.78541 gives approximately 1.32086 gallons. Remember to round to the nearest hundred, so your final answer is approximately 1.32 gallons. There you have it. Converting 5 gallons to liters and vice versa is a piece of cake once you grasp the conversion factor. With a bit of practice, you'll effortlessly navigate between gallons and liters. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more conversion tips and tricks, subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.